Deploying a website to Firebase is a straightforward process. Here's how to deploy your website to Firebase. Set up Firebase. Create a Firebase project. Sign into Firebase console and create a new project by clicking on Add Project. Follow the setup instructions to complete the Firebase project creation. Install Firebase CLI. Download and install the Firebase command line interface from the official Firebase documentation. This tool allows you to manage your Firebase project from the terminal. Initialize your project. Navigate to your project directory in the terminal and run the following. Follow the prompts to select the relevant options, including project setup, authentication providers, and which features you want to include. Deploy your website. After initialization, deploy your project by running the following. Firebase will upload your website files to the cloud, handle the deployment process, and provide a live URL for your site. Customize deployment. If you need to update your website or add more files, simply run the following. Firebase will update only the necessary changes, minimizing deployment time. Access and test. Once deployed, visit the Firebase URL or custom domain to view your live website.